Mga Pilipina kasama sa 20 inaresto ng pulis sa Hong Kong dahil sa illegal na pag-aalok ng manicure at massage sa hagdanan pa ng metro station. At ayon sa balita, ang karamihan sa kanila ay mga illegal workers na or mga tapos na ang kontrata or paso na ang mga visa. At ang iba naman ay hindi alam ng mga employer na ang kanilang mga katulong or kasambahay ay gumagawa ng extra pagkakakitaan or sideline.
The Immigration Department has arrested 20 people in a crackdown on foreign domestic helpers providing illegal labor. Authorities suspected that some helpers were running nail business on the streets. Jamie Liu reports.
The operation followed a report by iCable News' City Focus program that foreign domestic helpers were allegedly offering pedicures on the stairs of a footbridge connecting an MTR station exit and the International Financial Center. The Immigration Department suspected that some helpers were working illegally to make a quick buck. On Sunday, officers arrested 3 Filipino helpers and visitors in Central and seized items including massage guns, massage oil, manicure tools, tents, and folding chairs. The Immigration Department said the helpers set up temporary stalls using tents or cardboard, offering nail and massage services and charging $50 each time in what are described as poor hygiene conditions. The central arrests were part of a 3-day operation during which officers searched 19 locations across Hong Kong. A total of 20 people were arrested, including 14 alleged illegal workers, mainly involving Philippine or Indonesian nationals. The Immigration Department reminded foreign domestic helpers that their contracts prohibit them from taking up other work. It also warned employers not to arrange any side jobs for their helpers or hire any illegal workers.
Actually, sa Hong Kong ako madalas makakita ng mga video ng mga Pilipina hinahabol ng mga pulis dahil nga ginagawa pa rin nila kahit alam nilang bawal. Tulad na lang ng pagtitinda, pag-aalok ng mga serbisyo at sinasakripisyo nila ang kunting kita kahit alam naman nilang ikapahamak nila.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate